Imagine this, waking up without an alarm clock, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. No more jarring sounds to pull you out of your dreams. Instead, you stroll to your favorite coffee shop, order your preferred brew, and settle into a cozy corner with your laptop. You open your planner and realize you have complete control over your schedule. No rigid 9 to 5, no boss breathing down your neck. This is the life of a freelance writer, and it can be yours. Imagine the freedom to choose your projects, set your own deadlines, and work from anywhere in the world. You can achieve financial independence and build a career you love, all from the comfort of your own home. Picture yourself working in your pajamas, on your couch, or even from a beachside cabana. This guide is your roadmap to making $1,000 a week as a freelance writer. It's not just a dream, it's a tangible goal you can reach with the right strategies and dedication. We'll cover everything from setting income goals and building a portfolio to finding high-paying clients. Your portfolio is your ticket to showcasing your skills and attracting the right opportunities. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and embark on an exciting journey toward freelance success. Let's get started. The world of freelance writing is vast and full of opportunities. With determination and the right guidance, you can open 1,000 doors to freedom and create the life you've always dreamed of. Earning $1,000 a week as a freelance writer is an achievable goal, but it requires a plan. This plan should be detailed and realistic, taking into account your skills, experience, and the market demand for your services. First, determine your desired hourly rate. This rate should reflect not only your expertise but also the value you bring to your clients. Consider your experience and the industry average. Research what other freelance writers with similar skills and experience are charging. This will give you a benchmark to set your own rates. Next, calculate the number of hours you need to work each week to reach your income goal. This involves some simple math but is crucial for planning your workload. For example, if your desired rate is $50 per hour, you'd need to work 20 hours a week to make $1,000. However, don't forget to factor in time for administrative tasks, marketing, and client communication. Remember, this is just a starting point. Your rates and hours can and should evolve over time. As you gain experience and build your clientele, you can increase your rates and reduce your working hours. Regularly review your rates and adjust them based on your growing expertise and the value you provide. It's all about finding the perfect balance for your lifestyle and financial aspirations. Striking this balance will not only help you achieve your income goals, but also ensure that you enjoy your work and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Networking and continuous learning are also key components of a successful freelance career. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and keep updating your skills to stay competitive. Ultimately, the goal is to create a sustainable and rewarding freelance writing career that supports your financial needs and personal happiness. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing towards your goals. Your writing portfolio is your online resume. It showcases your skills and experience to potential clients. Start by creating a simple website or blog using platforms like WordPress or Wix. Alternatively, consider platforms like Contently, which offer portfolio hosting services. Choose your best writing samples, those that demonstrate your versatility and expertise. Include a variety of content such as blog posts, website copy, or articles. A well-crafted portfolio is your key to attracting high-paying clients. Finding high-paying clients is crucial for reaching your income goal. Job platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are great places to find freelance writing gigs. LinkedIn is another excellent resource. Network with other professionals in your niche and let them know you're open to freelance opportunities. Don't be afraid to pitch directly to businesses or publications. A well-written pitch can make all the difference in securing a niche down and conquer becoming an expert. Specializing in a niche can significantly increase your earning potential. By focusing on a specific industry or topic, you become an expert in that field. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and skills. Research high-demand niches like technology, healthcare, or finance. Once you've chosen a niche, tailor your portfolio and marketing efforts to attract clients in that area. Writing faster, earning more productivity hacks for writers. Time is money, especially as a freelance writer. Improve your writing speed and efficiency with these helpful tools and techniques. Grammarly and Hemingway Editor can help you write clearly and concisely. Productivity apps like Trello and Asana can keep you organized and on track. Set realistic deadlines and break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. By maximizing your productivity, you can take on more clients and increase your income. Setting your rates? The price is right. Setting your rates can feel daunting, but it's crucial for your freelance success. Research industry standards and consider your experience level. Use rate calculators to determine a fair price for your services. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Remember, you're providing a valuable service. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, don't hesitate to increase your rates accordingly. The art of negotiation, getting what you deserve. Negotiation is a key skill for any freelance writer. Don't be afraid to negotiate your rates with clients. Come prepared with a clear understanding of your worth and the value you bring. Be confident and professional in your communication. Remember, negotiation is a two-way street. Be willing to compromise, but don't undervalue your skills and experience. Streamlining your finances. Tools for efficient invoicing. Efficient invoicing is essential for getting paid on time. Use invoicing tools like FreshBooks or Wave to create professional invoices and track your income. Set clear payment terms and stick to them. Don't be afraid to follow up with clients if payments are late. By staying organized and managing your finances effectively, you can focus on what you do best. The freelance lifestyle. Embracing freedom and flexibility. Freelance writing offers unparalleled freedom and flexibility. You're in control of your schedule, your workload, and your earning potential. Embrace the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Set your own hours and take breaks when you need them. The freelance lifestyle is all about finding the perfect balance between work and life. Conclusion. Your journey to freelance success begins now. Making $1,000 a week as a freelance writer is an achievable goal with the right mindset, tools, and strategies. It all starts with believing in your potential and committing to your craft. Start by setting clear income goals, building a strong portfolio, and finding high-paying clients. Your portfolio is your showcase, so make sure it reflects your best work and highlights your unique skills. Specialize in a niche, improve your writing efficiency, and don't be afraid to negotiate your rates. Specializing allows you to become an expert in a particular area, making you more valuable to clients. Embrace the freedom and flexibility of the freelance lifestyle. This career path offers you the chance to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects that excite you. Your journey to freelance success begins now. Take advantage of online resources, join writing communities, and continuously improve your skills. Take the first step today and watch your writing career soar. Remember, every successful freelancer started with a single step. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way to a thriving freelance writing career.